muthia kamweneni ga kihonia kia ndungamano iria ikoretwo igumiire kamiti ya bunge hamwe ya watho na kihoto na iria ikoretwo ikiungania mawoni megie mutaratara wa watho wa BBI nikeyumiritie thutha wa kamiti ino kuga na ikinyukitie makinya marumu hari thabari ya kurikiriria kuhariria riboti ino.
Tremendous progress has been made by the main committee, joint committee. We would appreciate that with the COVID protocols, it has not been possible for us to wrap up the BBI and deal with all the issues on time.
Ona gutuika kamiti ino ikuruhanetie mikana iria gathikitwo ni thirikari igie kurugamia micemanio yothe ta njira ya guthaitira utambia wa COVID-19. Riboti cia kwihoko ihinyiriria ati ngayukano gatagati ka amemba kamiti ino ni ikoretwo iri muhinga munene hari kurikirira kwa riboti ino, guku amwe makirikana marendaga gukorwo na mweke kumitabaniria mogaruruku undu uria ni mugaru na watho.
I'm happy to report that we are on course, and because of the interruptions by COVID, we have given this exercise a full 5 days from 19th through 5 days to be able to wrap up the report and give a report that can stand the test of time.
Kuringana na ndumiriri iria irekereirio ni umwe wa ikariririe kamiti ino muturikigano, kamiti ya ataramu iria marathukiire wira wa kumatara mwerekera uria magiriire kuoya ta kamiti iri njira-ini ya kurekereria riboti yao niguo mamioerere na kumirikiriria mbere ya itamanitio bunge-ini cieri riria igacokereria. Iguru ria uguo kamiti ino niteaniirie miario ya mutongoria wa igii bunge-ini Munya thiku nini hituku kuria arahithuritie mubango wa gwitia giikaro kia mwanya niguo kwaririria mutaratara uyu wa BBI. Kamiti ino ikihinyiriria marongoreirie gutabania riboti yao riria bunge cieri igacokereria ciikaro.
Special meetings may be called for other matters, but not BBI. BBI is given time, as I say, timelines on 4th May and 11th May, respectively, when the House, the Senate and the House resume. And we shall be able, I can assure you, to table comprehensive report to both houses.
Girifotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.